How to set different notification sounds per app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to set different notification sounds for different application, now here I'm going to show for a particular app. So let me select the app is Facebook Lite. So I'm just going to make a long press and then tap on app info. As I tap on app info, just scroll down and here you can see the option of notifications. So tap on notifications. Here just scroll down back again and here you can see the options of different notification sounds. So you can just tap on your account and then here you can see the option of sound. So tap on sound and it will take us to a new page where you can select the ringtones from wide variety of options. You can choose your local ringtone or you can choose from pre-installed ringtones. So you can just select among any of the ringtones and select it, and that's how you'll be able to set different notification sounds per app on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.